Welcome to Spelling Bee Junior's Mock Round 1. You will hear 20 words. For each word, listen carefully to the pronunciation. You have 10 seconds to think and write the spelling. Do not pause the video unless instructed by your coach. Check all answers at the end of the round, count your score and get ready for the next round. Thank you. Spell the word public. Public. Spell the word media. Media. Spell the word report. Report. Spell the word source. Source. For example, the news source. The news source. Spell the word inform. Inform. Spell the word persuade. Persuade. Spell the word blade. Blade. Spell the word gear. Gear. Spell the word install. Install. Spell the word facility. Facility. Spell the word turbine. Turbine. Spell the word farm. Farm. Spell the word jellyfish. Jellyfish. Spell the word organism. Organism. Spell the word colony. Colony. Spell the word reproduce. Reproduce. Spell the word stem. Stem. Spell the word relative. Relative. Spell the word siphonophores. Siphonophores. Spell the word mysterious. Mysterious. That concludes round 1. Please check your spellings carefully against the correct answers provided. Identify any errors, write the correct spellings and note the patterns that caused difficulty. Reset your focus and prepare for the next round. Thank you.